see on the slide here is an improvement of the business from the 9 months of the previous year, 2013, to the 9 months of this year. NLB will actually not be affected by the review and the results of this stress test. On one hand, the baseline scenario has shown that NLB in realistic circumstances that already include a little bit of the worsening of the economy would perform relatively well and would always in the following 3 years keep more than 3 percentage points buffers versus the capital adequacy benchmarks.
I don't think they will make any major changes. They need to restructure. They need to lose toxic assets. Still, a quarter of all lending are toxic, basically bad loans, and they need to remove them from the system. They cannot start lending because companies are too much in debt. Companies need to raise about capital of adequacy about 5 to 6 percentage points of the GDP. And I think that banks are still waiting for, let's say, some general solution from the government, which is bad because they should do that fast and they should do that on their own.
The two Belgian banks that had a lesser score are simply due to the fact that one of these banks, Dexia, is in a process of winding down, so that's a special case. And still, when these scenarios are being applied, they have sufficient capital. And the other bank is part of an insurance group, had to undergo this stress test. And in the meantime, it has already reinforced its capital buffers, and also no further intervention or capital increase is required.
O banco realizou este ano já dos maiores aumentos de capital da nossa história, devolveu ao Estado 1.850 milhões de euros do apoio que tinha recebido, aliás já só faltam devolver 750 milhões, já resolveu as garantias existentes, portanto estamos a falar de ações concretas, realizadas, postas em prática e não apenas ideias para o futuro.
A questão das famílias e os benefícios.
Mas agora que olhamos que recebemos este relatório do Banco Central Europeu, é que no caso de Portugal, esta é uma questão que está acotada, que está baixo controle, baixo boa supervisão.
Mas mais do que isso, provavelmente, das debilidades de estrutura de capital.